Hey, what's happening, world? What's happening, world? It's Ty PPK. Me and your favorite Presa Offset. Set, look at the camera. Hey, he is so excited. Yeah, boy. We have 500 subscribers. Thanks to you guys, man. This video is for you. We appreciate you subscribing, watching, commenting on our videos. We appreciate y'all, man. So, on behalf of Offset and I, along with Mulatto, and she's back here somewhere. There she is, over there in Kendall doing her thing. We appreciate you guys. 500 subscribers, 500 plus more to go. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. And PPK, we are on our way. Appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all, man. As always, we out. Subscribe, like, and share. Share the videos. Help us out. We out here. Go. Hey, Offset, what are you doing? That's the Easter Bunny. You destroying the Easter Bunny, man. What you doing? 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 That's the Easter Bunny, man. You a Grinch. Offset is shaking the Easter Bunny. You destroying the Easter Bunny. Oh, my God. Look at your boy Offset, man. Y'all come get this guy, man. This guy is 10 weeks old and a monster right now. Look at him. Starting the working process, getting him used to shaking things. Believe it, he's loving it. Right now, he is destroying the Easter Bunny. The guy Offset, picture perfect. Shake that guy, buddy. Mulatto says she want to get in on the action. It's going down. Get that thing. Get that thing, guys. Ten weeks, guys. Shake, shake, shake that thing. Offset. Look like Mulatto went in on the action. Get that thing, Lotto. Get that thing, Lotto. Get that thing, Lotto. Show him, Mulatto. Show your son what to do. Show him what to do. Get that thing, Offset. Shake that thing. Shake 'em, boy. That's good. Shake that thing, boy. All right. Get that rabbit. Get that rabbit. Yeah. That's yeah. They're attacking that thing. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Y'all check that boy out. Shake him. Shake him. Shake it. Shake him. Shake him. Shake him. Yes. Yes. That's good. Shake that thing. Shake that thing, Offset. Shake that thing, Mulatto. That's right. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Shake that thing, Offset. Shake that thing. Boy, getting ready. Y'all holler at me. Leave a comment what y'all think about Offset. What he looking like to you. Holler at me. It's Ty PPK. Appreciate y'all as always watching, liking, and subscribing. Offset. Hey. Hey. We out.